So let's say you want to go ahead and print out contents from Photopea. Then what you can do is you can go around onto file and then go to print right here. So once you go around over here, then you can see that you need to save it first right here. So this is the image that you have right here, and then over here you can save it out, or you can go around and print it out right here, or even download it, as you can see right here. So let's just go around onto print right here, and then you got the printing option. So here you can go around and choose around a physical printer, but I don't have one attached, so I'm just going to choose a virtual printer right here. So you can go around and select out a custom page right here, and pages per sheet as well. So you can have 2 images per sheet if you want right here, but I only have 1 image, so I'm simply going to go around and select out one right here. So now this is what you have, and you can change around the printer settings right here and then click on print. In my case, I'm using a virtual printer, so I'm going to go around and choose save right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and save it out onto my desktop right here. And in my desktop, you can see that I have this particular file right here. So if the photo were to be printed, then it would be printed like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the print feature inside of Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.